Google Fit is Google's answer to the Apple Health app. Basically, it uses a sensor of mobile devices to automatically track different activities such as walking, biking, or running. In addition to tracking your exercise, you can also use Google Fit to track your sports goals and progress if you're looking to lose weight. You should initially download the app, which you can find for free from the Google Play App Store. If you have an iPhone, you'll need to download the Wear OS app and navigate to the Google Fit section. Once downloaded, you must accept the Google Terms of Service, click Next, and grant access to activity information and location history. Location data lets you see progress throughout the day and the location of the place where the exercise is performed. Google Fit collects activity data using your device sensors. For example, with motion sensors and GPS, you can know when and where you are moving. With these parameters, Google Fit calculates your activity and other data, such as the calories you have burned while doing it. The application will analyze your activity history for as long as you use it, and thus try to improve the accuracy when measuring your activity. For example, the more you use it, the better you know the calories or effort you use when doing activities, as you compare different rhythms. One of the most useful parameters in your GPS information. With it, not only will it show you on a map what route you have taken during each exercise session or every time you have gone for a walk, it would also use your location to calculate the speed at which you have been moving or the total distances you travel, two parameters with which it also measures your effort. This is an option that you can also disable. With these sensors, you will calculate the two activity objectives, the total minute of activity and that of the cardio points. These two objectives will appear on the home screen in circles that will be fulfilled as you approach the daily goal you've set yourself. When you complete them, an animation will appear telling you that you have done a good job.